Hi, everyone. I'm Sarah Siddiqui, Science and Engineering Outreach Librarian for the Departments of Math and Statistics, Mechanical Engineering, Earth and Environmental Sciences, and the Lab for Laser Energetics. This introductory Zotero tutorial was created by a U of R student, Kylah Rendell, as part of the River Campus Libraries CLAM, our Career Exploration in Librarianship and Mentoring program. We hope that this video helps you discover some useful tips for using Zotero. Also remember, all remote campus librarians are here to help if you have any questions, so please reach out. Contact information for outreach librarians is available on the Get Help section of the library's website. So let's get started. Thank you.
Hello, today I will be walking you through Zotero, how to create a citation, organize a citation, as well as export it to Google Chrome. Before you get started, I want to share a helpful link. This link right here will help you get to Zotero, and it'll also explain how to download it. Okay, now that you've downloaded Zotero, you see this. Of course, you won't have some of the citations I do, but that's mostly because I use Zotero a lot. So basically, when you get started, it'll have a directional of how to set up Zotero also, and a little bit of a PSA, but I deleted it just because of storage problems I have on my computer. Anyway, so how do you create a citation? You hit this little green button right here, and you hit what type of thing you're citing. You can also hit more for more options. For today's example, I'm going to hit book. Okay, now you're in book. Now say you accidentally hit book on accident and you want to hit another one, or you accidentally selected the wrong one. You can also have multiple different choices. So the title of the thing I'm citing is Great, and the last name is okay. I think it's very important to put in the author if you can find it. And I'm also going to add extra details because the more information you have, the better your citation will become. So I'll also put the page number and the okay. So now that your citation is done, you're going to want to organize it. And by organizing it, you're going to hit it's going to say new collection. So you're going to hit this little yellow plus button, and you're going to hit what's the title of it. Like you can hit chemistry, biology, whatever. For this case, I'm going to write fun reads. Now that you're in fun reads, now that you're in your folder, I'm just going to hit this add, and it won't add it until you see this little plus button. Now that the plus button's there, it should show up there. So now you have successfully organized your citation. Now onto Google Docs. You cannot use the Google Doc transfer unless you go to Google Chrome extension and download the Google Chrome extension for Zotero. Also, when you hit on this website and you hit Zotero, Zotero again, you're going to have a download option, as well as lower down, you're going to have an extension. Okay. So now that you're on Google Docs, you're going to see the Zotero button after you added the extension, which is very important. You're going to hit add/edit citation, and you're going to see this red bar. For this citation, I'm going to do Great Expectations. So it's going to hit immediately. Now, if you have multiples, then you can hit multiple sources. But for this all intents purpose video, I'm just going to do one citation. Then you're going to hit your enter/return key, and then go back to Google Docs. It should be coming up in a second. Sometimes it's a little slow. You can see the load button, sorry. Okay, now that I loaded the citation, you're going to have this little bracket thing, and that's basically how you cite a direct quote. From there, you can add it, create it into a full citation. So you're going to hit Zotero again, and you're going to hit add/edit bibliography. Okay, from there, you have your full citation. Thank you for listening. And then one last thing I have to show. From here, you're just going to double check that everything was correct, that your citation is, in fact, edited and corrected. And from my checking, it is. So now that you have a citation, you're ready to go. For any more citations, you can simply hit add/edit or add/edit for bibliography. Thank you so much for watching the video. I am so sorry. I am sorry for the slight technical difficulties. Thank you for your patience, and thank you for your time.